The SCP Foundation has interrupted your standard broadcast to issue a threat-level Apollyon announcement. The SCP Foundation has interrupted your standard broadcast to issue a threat-level Apollyon announcement. This warning is effective immediately and will continue into the foreseeable future. The U.S. government has given the SCP Foundation clearance to issue this alert. The Foundation is dedicated to protecting the public. Updates will be given at the top of every hour. The following instructions are vital to your safety. At this time, the Foundation asks citizens to stay indoors and block out all natural lighting. Due to a fatal meteorological event of unknown origin, an estimated 1 billion casualties have taken place within the first 30 minutes of activation. Stay away from all visual light, 390 to 700 nanometers, emitted by the sun. Stay away from all visual light, 390 to 700 nanometers, reflected by the moon. Citizens attempting to travel outdoors must fully cover their bodies in protective clothing, preferably several layers. Cities and man-made structures in general provide the greatest protection. Formerly wooded areas should be circumvented. Travel by foot should be limited as much as possible and is heavily discouraged. Secure and close all entrances and windows to the shelter. Do not look outside. All unusual noises and persons outside should not be investigated. Refuse all requests from others to come inside.